Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tasty Chillies. Today we're going to show you one of my and my Sasuma's favorite beverage, spiced tea or masala chai. It is a flavored beverage enjoyed by many, not only in India, which it originated, but it's also a popular beverage worldwide. One of the key ingredients in masala chai is the masala. If you would like to know how to make the masala, the link is in the description. Okay friends, join us. Chalo mummy, chai banate hai. Add 2 cups of water in a tea pan. Add 2 bags of black tea or 2 teaspoons of loose black tea. Add a teaspoon of grated ginger. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of chai masala. Mix and then bring to a boil. Add 1 cup of milk. Add sugar to taste. At this point, when the tea is boiling, I advise you to stay because it can boil over and you really don't want to clean up the mess afterwards. Make the tea boil one more time and then turn off the gas. Now the tea is done. Serve it in your best tea set and enjoy it with some garam samosa or some pakora. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any comment, please leave it down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. See you later. Bye.